Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1973 Dart Sport. Neat car, guys. I actually did some trading to get this car. Man, this thing's fun to drive. Plenty of performance. It is a factory H-Code 340 car that now has a 360 Magnum engine underneath the hood. Factory top banana yellow. This is the factory color combination. It came factory with the bucket seats and console. Super cool car. Like I say, it's got some performance, fun to drive, 70,000 original miles. Just a neat car. Good, solid, straight body. Car's out of Florida. You can see it's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around. They've got them staggered. It's got 15s in the rear, 14s in the front. I love the Cragars on it. This car's just cool, man. It's got a great look, sits good. Like I say, ton of fun to drive. Fun car. Chrome and stainless are nice. You can see there's a couple of little touch-up marks you can see as you kind of walk around it. Factory sport hood, and it does have the factory performance hood striping on it. All that stuff's on the fender tag. Factory dual chrome mirrors. It's just a good looking car, man. And again, it's so much fun to drive. It's got the pop out rear windows. Good, solid, straight body. I think the car's got all the original body panels on it. When you look underneath, you can kind of see. I don't think it's ever been messed with underneath. You can see kind of the overspray from the paint. Not overspray when the way they were painted, and they always kind of had this body color that kind of got everywhere, and you can see it. Nice and straight down the sides. Love the wheel setup on it. It's got the chrome tips, got a good sounding H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. All your bezels are real nice. Yeah, it's a cool car. Fun car. Good looking set of Cragars. Does have front disc brakes. Again, this is the factory colored combinations, high impact top banana yellow. Original 340 car. It now has a 360 crate engine in it. Dual feed 4-barrel. It's got a Mopar Performance air gap aluminum intake in it. Does have a hooker super comp headers. Factory front disc brake car. You can see the MSD ignition in it. It has a 904 reverse manual valve body transmission. Factory radiator with a shroud in it. Of course, it's got the factory functional sport hood in it. There's your fender tag. And this thing scoots, guys. It's a lot of fun to drive. Again, dual chrome mirrors. This is a remote mirror. Door handles have definitely been replaced. There's your door tag. Door seams are nice and clean. I think some of that paint underneath the hood is actually original. Factory black vinyl interior. I've got new floor mats. They're on the way. Factory bucket seats with the center console. It's actually got the wood grain trim. Sport steering wheel. Headliner's nice. It's got an aftermarket sport compact. 71,049 original miles on it. I don't know the miles on the rest though. Factory AM/FM radio. It's got some aftermarket gauges in there. Of course, factory center console. It's got an airflow sensor in it too as well. Again, it's got an H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. 355 sure grip rear end. Pretty cool. It's got the old polyglass spare factory jack. Again, it looks like it's got the original insulation still in the quarters. It's all body color in the trunk. Oh, that little bit of paperwork in there is just a little listing. When I bought the car, just kind of the guy listed everything that was on it. And also, I think there's maybe something for the MSD or something in there. Not a ton of paperwork with the car. Clean underneath, like I said, the floors look all original. Doesn't sound good. Again, door seams are nice and clean. Seats look good. I think they said the only thing that is not working was the wipers, which we'll have those checked. We are, fortunately, our mechanic Steve has retired, so we're in between mechanics right now. So let's take a look at them there. Nice. Car rocks, man. It's fun to drive. Tack works. Gauges up there working. Everything else is down there. You can see it's holding good oil pressure. Sound to it. Did the radio work, Nathan? Oh, yeah, radio works. Floor motor, it works. It's your air fuel sensor right there. And your other gauges work there. No on the wipers. It's the only one we couldn't get to work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.